Now, what are the attributes of leader? Yes, what are the attributes of leader? Leader is with the guiding vision. Effective leaders know what they want to do and have strength of character to pursue their objectives in face of opposition and in spite of failures. The effective leaders establish achievable goals. Yes, leader is with guiding vision. Effective leaders know what they want to do. Effective leaders जानते हैं वो क्या करना चाहते हैं. उनके करेक्टर में वो स्ट्रेंथ होती है कि वो अपने ऑब्जेक्टिव्स को परसू कर सकें. ऑपोजिशन को फेस करते हुए भी, if some people are against them, but they have strength of their character to pursue their objectives in spite of failures. So effective leaders क्या करते हैं? They establish achievable goals.
उनके पास विजन होता है सर.
Yes, because they are with clear vision, they are with guided vision, they have passion as well. Yes, they have passion as well. Effective leaders believe passionately in their goals. सबसे पहले हम देखें, हमने पिछली स्लाइड में क्या डिस्कस किया. They are with the character that they can establish achievable goals. Now they have passion to do that. They passionately achieve their goal. They have positive outlook on who they are, and they love what they do. They do with because they love what they do. That's why they have passion to do that. Their passion for life is to guiding star for others to follow, because they radiate their promise. They are again, they are man of words. They make their commitments and they stand on their commitments. Next attribute is integrity. Guided vision, passion, integrity. Because they know who they are, effective leaders are also aware of their weaknesses. Leader doesn't mean they don't have weaknesses. They know their weaknesses. They only make promises they can follow through on. That's why they are man of commitment and they follow their commitments. Next attribute is honesty. This is fourth attribute. First was guided vision, passion, integrity, and honesty. Leaders convey an aura of honesty in both their professional and their personal lives. Yes, boys and girls, this is very important. Leadership doesn't mean that leader is behaving in leadership with leadership attributes and qualities, and he is leader in his professional life, and he is example of failure in his personal life. No, they are leaders in their personal and their professional lives both, because they are with guided vision with reference to their family and with reference to their professional life as well. They are clear, they are passionate, they are with integrity, they are with honesty, and fifth one is they are with trust. Yes, effective leaders earn the trust of their followers and act on behalf of their followers. ये वो पॉइंट है, ये वो एट्रीब्यूट है जो आप में से मोस्टली ने कहा था, राइट. सो आपने देखा है कि ये सारी चीजें किसी बैकग्राउंड के साथ आ रही हैं. आपकी वो क्वालिटीज हैं जो आपको उनकी तरफ लेके जा रही हैं, और फिर आप में वो एट्रीब्यूट्स डेवलप होती हैं. क्यूरियोसिटी, सिक्स्थ वन इज क्यूरियोसिटी. लीडर्स आर लर्नर्स. They wonder about every aspect of their charge. They find out what they need to know in order to pursue their goals. They have curiosity to learn. They want to know in order to achieve their goals. Risk, yes, this is another important, this is seventh attribute. Effective leaders take calculated risks when necessary to achieve their objectives. They take risks when it is necessary to achieve their objectives, but they take calculated risks. If a mistake is made, The effective leaders will learn from their mistakes and use it as an opportunity to explore other avenues. Yes, means it doesn't mean that leaders are not human beings. They can make mistake, but they learn from their mistakes and they take it opportunity to explore future avenues, other avenues. Yes. Next attribute is dedication. The effective leader is dedicated to his or her charge and will assiduously on behalf of those following. The leader give himself or herself entirely to the task when it is necessary. So they are dedicated, right? कौन सी जी हमने attributes की हैं discuss? Just recall it. Yes, guided vision, passion. Number two, number three, integrity. Four, honesty. Five, trust. Six, curiosity. Seventh, risk. Right? Eighth, dedication. Ninth, charisma. Yes, you will find charismatic personality in the leaders. This may be one attribute that is most difficult to cultivate. It conveys maturity, respect for your followers, compassion, a fine sense of humor, a love of humanity. The result is that leaders have capability to motivate people to excel. And they have good, 10th attribute is they have good listening skill as well. Yes, leaders listen to people. This is the most important attribute of all. This is the most important attribute because they listen their followers. Leaders are good listeners. Yes, so these were 10 attributes of leaders. I hope you have understand these attributes.